Focus on your goal. Do not look in any direction but ahead. With this beautiful quotation, we'll start our lesson. So we are studying about basic 256 subroutines and string functions. So today we'll learn about some string functions. So before that, we should know what is a string. String means a set of characters. When it will combine together, that will form a string. So for example, Kerala school, some characters combine together, so that is a string. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. So see 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there, but it is inside the double quote. So whenever something will be put in the double quote, that is a string. Okay. So string functions are string, length, left and right. These four functions will read, rest of the functions in the next class. Okay. So let us see what the use of string function. This function is used to convert an expression to string. That means if a numeric you want to convert to a string, you have to use string function. Okay. Just like a string 1, 2, 3, 4 if you write, then it will not be 1234, rather it will become a string where on which you cannot perform any arithmetical calculations. Clear? So then comes to your length. This function is used to find the length of the string. Length, Kerala school. Suppose see, now I have shown you in the table. So one by one character it will count from that string, and the whatever the last value will be, so that will be the length of the string. So here see, Kerala school consists of 14 characters, so the length is your 14. Clear? It will include space also, and it will, if you will put any dot also, that also it will be counted also. Every dot space is a character. Okay. So next comes to left function. What this left function will do? This function is used to extract a string starting from the left till the position denoted by length. That means if we'll write left and one string, if we'll give I love my country and then 6, then this what this function will do? It will start counting from the first character of the string up to the 6th character. Okay. So if I'll count this, so I will get the output as I love. Okay. And similarly, suppose another example, left the same string I love my country and then the position up to 9. Then what output I will get? I love mine. So these are how many characters you will give in the string. That many of characters it will count starting from the left side. Okay. So that is the use of left function. And then right function. This function is used to extract a string starting from the right till the position denoted by the length. Okay, that means left function will start counting from the left side and right function will start counting from the right side. That is the difference. And you see, same example, suppose somebody has written right I love my country, then 7. So it will start counting 7 characters from the right side. So the output will be country. Okay. And similarly, if 10 characters will be given, the output will be my country. Okay. So this way it will start counting from the right side till the number of characters given in the function. Clear? So now I will do and show you. Okay, how you will do it in QBasic. Let us see. Suppose you are writing here A. Suppose if I write here A is equal to left, the same string I will take. And I will take 6 characters. Okay, like this. Then suppose I will write here. And then I'll run. What will be the output? See? So the output has appeared, I love. Okay. Similarly, same thing, if you'll write here next, I will write suppose B is equal to left. Okay. Same string I am taking. And suppose I will take here the 9 characters. Then what will be the output? Suppose here I will write print B. Here A, B are the variables. Okay. Whatever the output will come, that will be stored in this variable. Any A, B, not always. You can take any name. A, B, X, Y, Z, S, T. Anything you can take as a variable name. Okay, so I think left function you all of you understood. Now let us try one right function. Suppose I am writing s is equal to right of I, same string, suppose I have taken 6 characters. Okay, no problem. So what is the output? So here I will write. Now run. So output for it will be these characters will be my output. Suppose another one I am taking. Okay. So another example. Suppose same thing. Suppose I will write s is equal to right of, okay, same string. Whenever you will write a string, that must be in double quote, you remember, otherwise it will not be counted as a string. So now I will write here again print s. Okay, so see what is coming. So my country. So left and right function, I think you all of you understood. So now comes to length function. Suppose if I'll write here, okay, L is equal to length, Length, length. Same string, suppose I will take here only. Okay, so now suppose I will write here print L. So what output is coming? See. Okay, so similarly if you want to take another example also, I will show you. So you see here, suppose if I'll write here any character I can take. So suppose t is equal to length of suppose Carly School, and I will write here print t. So it will what output it is showing you? It will show you this 14. Okay, so this way you will write the program, string functions will work. Okay, and what about the string function that I'm showing? Okay, suppose if I'll write here a is equal to string of a numeric number, suppose 1 2 3 4 I will give here, then if I'll print a here, then it will print as the, and I'll run the program, you see, and what it will printing? Same 1 2 3 4. It becomes a string, means now it becomes a character. When you will do this type program, you can understand whether it becomes a string or not. I will one program I will do you to understand. Okay, later on in the next class. So I hope all of you understood left function, right function, and length function clearly. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me through campus care. So I have one link for Android phone also. Now you can do in the practice this basic 256 in your mobile also. So today along with the video, I will give you the link for downloading this basic 256 in your mobile, and you can practice. You will have no problem, no need of computer now. Okay, if you have, it is okay, better you download it. If you don't have, you don't worry. Yeah, I will provide you the link. Okay, thank you all. Have a nice day. Take care. Be safe at your home.